Hi, welcome to my channel, Sharvonique Renee. I'm Renee and thank you so much for joining me. I have a special package here from a company called Valdé. They're a new company. I learned about them on Instagram and it seemed like they launched, I would say around October 2020 last year. And they came out with a line of luxury lipsticks that I was just too curious to try. So this is the inside of the box, Valdé, very you, their Instagram info and their website. A card. They had an option to request a gift card or, a little message or note. And so I did. And I chose "Your power comes from being you." But I was not expecting it to be a handwritten message. That's very cool. Okay. Apply and conquer. That's cute. All right, so let's see what we have here. Look at this. Wow. Volume 3. This is like, from what I saw on the website, it's their display case. They made it look like a book. It's kind of hard to read because of the lighting, but vegan, gluten-free, nanoparticle-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. I'm loving the details. This is very nice. Okay, put this here. Okay, let's see. Valdé Armor is an extension of the woman who carries it, an external manifestation of her inner strength and beauty. Each unique vessel has been artfully designed to protect your refillable lip products and to honor all that has made you. Very you, Valdé. The packaging is just superb. Like, I am so impressed. A single feather, light, beautiful, and purposeful, together form wings powerful enough to take flight. The Valdé inaugural armor celebrates the power of all women, individually and collectively, to transcend limitations and achieve the seemingly impossible, to soar. So this is now the lipstick. So I'm just going to pull each item out of the box. Oh, and the closure is magnetic. It's very nice. Oh, there's more. We are inspired by the women of the past, encouraged by the women of the present, and motivated by the women of the future. One thing that caught my eye when I was looking into the brand was that it's very woman inspired. This is the case to carry your lipstick in. It's like velvet, suede. This is the actual lipstick in its refillable tube. I got the shade Power. And they currently have 8 colors available, and they are all in a satin formula, and they have 1 lip balm formula. I think there's only 1 shade available in the lip balm. It's a pink color. And the lipsticks like I said, there are 8 shades, and they seem to range from various shades of red, nude, and pink. Now this is called, on the website they refer to this as the Armor. You can see the wing design in detail. What caught my eye is that it has like a very medieval type of look and feel to me. Very Game of Thrones. But I like elements from that time period. So I definitely wanted to get it. And there's a mirror on top for applying the lipstick. So the way this works is you select your armor, and there are currently 3 different designs to choose from. There's a black and gold, which is what I got. There's also a gold and gold, and there is a gunmetal design. So you have this that you put on top of any of your lipsticks. You have the option to have your armor engraved. It's a 10-character limit, but my name is 11 characters long. So I actually emailed the company and asked them if it was possible to have the E added, and they said it was no problem. The only difference was that the engraving would show up a bit smaller than it normally would. So you have this part. It looks like this is what the, oops, okay, just take the lipstick, oh, more, it's magnetic. Insert the lipstick, and it's magnetic, so it stays in place. That is the shade. I'm having a bit of trouble rolling this up, so I think I'm mistaken. Let's see. Okay, so yes, the lipstick refill actually goes into this smaller end, and it snaps into, it's very tight fit, and it snaps into place. There we go. Now I'm able to roll it up easily. So after that, then you put that on there, and then you would put your armor in, and it's all magnetic. Let's swatch the color. As I've mentioned, all of their lipstick shades are a satin formula. That is a gorgeous red. It feels creamy in the swatch. Very pretty. The Valdé lipstick costs $199, and the optional engraving is an additional $10. At the time I ordered, there was a coupon available to where the engraving would be complimentary, but this is a very cool product. I am really impressed. First impressions, I have to wear the lipstick for a while to determine if I'm going to purchase the other two armor designs, but so far I am very pleased. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you know when a new video uploads. Thanks again for watching. Bye.